The 2011 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, 5-piece floor trunk mat set, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, power door locks, security system, bucket seats, power windows, trip computer, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.